welcome to Edwards Academy, which is located in SR Nagar Metro Station, Hyderabad. In our institute, we provide training for all the medical professionals, particularly for nurses and doctors between IELTS and OET. IELTS is a training that is English proficiency that is required in order to become a nurse or doctor abroad. Along with that, OET is also accepted. OET is nothing but occupational English test, which is relevant to medical subject. Along with that, IELTS is generalized English language proficiency where the requirement is 7 band, and for OET it is score B. Along with that, it is very important that you also need to get along with the CBT. It's a computer based test. It is specially meant relevant to our nursing subject or any medical subject. So in this you need to clear this examination. We train for that and we also provide mock tests in our institute. We also do the processing completely free for all the medical professionals in our institute, and we also guide them throughout until they become successful. Along with that, you also have the opportunity to go along with your families, and you also get free education for your children, and your spouse can also work full time. And you don't need to go individually and work there. You can go along with your family members at a time. And we do process for all your family members as well, including your process. And we help all the nurses, particularly in order to get trained. If you are not from the English background, or if you are from the Telugu medium background, still we help you by training you from the basic English language, then advanced, followed by IELTS or OET examination. IELTS or OET examination is nothing but it's a basic requirement in order to prove that you can speak English in the countries where we send you. Like UK, the English language is important to speak with the patients and with the families and your colleagues. So for that reason, they will check your English language proficiency. For IELTS, we have 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. For OET also we have listening, reading, writing and speaking. For IELTS, required band score is 7. For OET, required band score is B. And for individual countries we have different requirements. So we train you in order to reach your required band score by providing mock tests regularly in our institute. If you are still interested to go abroad, you can come and visit us at Edwards Academy, and where we provide you all the complete process free. Thank you.